Hello again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys should definitely check them out. My link will be down below. This is a normal unboxing video. Really cool. It's coming from Pluto, not the planet up in space, but down here on Earth. So definitely check them out. Pluto.com. You can customize your own pillows and the way you like to sleep, and they'll ship it to you. I'll show you what this looks like. So hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is the weekend. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there. Not me, but everybody else. I decided to skip that part in life. Alright, let's see what's inside. So check them out right there on Instagram, PlutoPillow.com. It's a nice little box. Personalized, hybrid, bounces back, temp regulating, super comfy pillow. I got the queen size, and then like I said, they got other sizes. This one's for you. Yeah, buddy. I'm trying to get better sleep. Just hard to do. I take naps, so I mean, that counts. It's for you. A little something there. Oh, it's a nice little. Kind of reminds me like the hotels. You leave a mint. No mints. Ooh. Handcrafted. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, shut him down. Well, it tells about my height and weight and everything. It's filled with 3 to 5 inches in height. Super soft firmness. 5 out of 5. So for plushy melt-in. Wow, that's pretty cool. Then they print stuff like this out. An extra step. It's always good. Ooh. Smells good. Look at that bad boy. Custom. Oh, this is super soft. Awesome. Pluto. You guys see the material right there. I think you can zip it to wash it. Right there. All the way. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get some use out of it. Hopefully tonight I get everything done. So definitely super excited. Get this a good night's sleep. I can feel it. It is definitely comfy. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Easy to fold too. Sometimes I like. Yeah, it does smell good. This is super nice, guys. Got the diamond stitched. It's crazy how it smells good. Here we go. Really nice. Awesome, awesome. So like I said, you can customize your pillow and they'll ship it to you. And you gotta fill out a few things, but that's no big deal. But this is definitely awesome. Let me scoot out a little. Here we go. Pluto. I'm pretty sure they got all the sizes for your beds. So I know they got queen though, that's for sure. But I mean, that's about it for this video. Super short. It's a pillow. Everybody knows what they are. But definitely check this company out. This is definitely something different, and you guys will definitely get some use out of it. Pluto, Pluto.com. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good weekend. Take it easy.